Introducing the Proto J6476 half-inch drive electrotronic torque tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to meet the demands of professional and DIY users alike. With a torque range of 25-250 ft-lbs, it caters to a wide variety of applications, from automotive maintenance to industrial projects. Its state-of-the-art technology provides highly accurate measurements with a precision of 1%, ensuring confidence in your results. The J6476 offers 3 different modes: peak, hold, and dial, to suit various testing requirements. The large LCD screen with clear indicators makes it effortless to read and interpret torque measurements, even in challenging lighting conditions. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Proto J6476 ensures longevity and reliability in demanding environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Proto J6476 1/2-in drive electronic torque tester. Invest in precision and confidence for your projects.